Welcome. If you manage a Telegram group and want to let certain admins invite new members using a link, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, it's now easier than ever to give admins this specific permission and help your community grow faster and more securely. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, open your Telegram app and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the group where you have admin rights. You'll see your groups listed on the main chat screen. Just tap on the group you want to manage. Now, at the top of the chat, tap on the group name. This will bring up the group's profile page, where you can see details about the group, its members, and more. Next, look for the Edit button, usually represented by a pencil icon, and tap on it to enter the group's editing mode. From here, find and tap on the Administrators section. This will show you a list of all the current admins in your group. Locate the admin you want to give permission to and tap on their name. This opens up their admin settings, where you can customize what they're allowed to do. Look for the option called Invite Users via Link. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn this switch on to allow that admin to generate and share invite links for your group. Once you've enabled this permission, don't forget to tap Save to apply the changes. That's it. The selected admin can now invite new members using a link, making it much easier to expand your group with trusted people. This method gives you more control over who can share invite links, helping you keep your community safe and organized. For more tips on managing your Telegram group and staying up to date with the latest features, keep exploring and make the most of your admin tools. Thanks for watching, and happy group managing.